welcome to another episode of Out of Thin Air. Today, I'm joined by a very special guest. Please welcome Karina Corkum, Manager of Digital Manufacturing Strategy at Northrop Grumman.
At Northrop Grumman, I focus on digital manufacturing strategy at the corporate office. I started my career in what I call the original digital transformation project, which was Y2K. When I think about digital transformation in aerospace and defense, I think of it in a couple of ways. One of them is really being data-driven and enabling the factory to have access to data, but it's also unlocking capabilities that maybe weren't available in the factory before. One of our big initiatives is focusing on converging IT and OT and being able to move data effectively from the shop floor into our Northrop Grumman network so that we can do analytics. I also believe that as we continue on our journey, the factory really becomes the product. The more we can understand what's happening on the shop floor, the more we can understand what kind of manufacturing is happening at those factories, right? We will not compromise on the regulatory requirements or the cybersecurity requirements, but that's not going to stop us from solving the problem in the best possible way and then overlaying those requirements on top of the solution. We need to be able to utilize the best practices that have been working in the software engineering realms for decades, and we need to bring that to manufacturing.